In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly log in to Lovable AI using Chrome and navigate through the basic steps for exporting your project files. Whether you're wrapping up a project or need to share your work with a colleague, exporting your files is a critical step in managing your projects effectively. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your Google Chrome browser. Chrome is one of the most commonly used browsers, largely because of its speed and compatibility with a wide range of applications, including Lovable AI, which ensures a smooth user experience. Once you have your Chrome browser open, head over to the Lovable AI website. Here, you'll need to enter your login details. This typically means entering your username and password, those essential pieces of information that unlock your workspace on Lovable AI. Make sure you have these credentials at the ready, and as always, exercise caution and keep your information secure by avoiding using public computers for this step. Once you're successfully logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your central hub where all your projects are located. Take a moment to locate and open the specific project that you intend to export. This might require you to browse through a list of your saved projects, which you can do easily from the dashboard. Simply click on the project title to open it. With your project open, the next thing you'll want to do is find and navigate to the export section. On Lovable AI's interface, this option is usually clearly marked or might be represented by an icon typically located on the menu bar or within your project's drop-down options. If you're unsure, hover over the icons until you spot the one labeled for exporting or file management. Upon entering the export section, you'll be presented with several options. What we're focusing on today is the feature that allows you to download your source code or project files. This option is invaluable as it provides you with a way to archive your work or transport it to another environment while maintaining its integrity. Take a moment to ensure that this is the option you've selected. It's crucial for obtaining all necessary files. With your selection made, the next screen will prompt you to save a zip file. This zip file contains all the bundled resources of your project, making it simpler to download and store neatly on your device. Choose the destination on your device where you'd like the zip file saved. This could be your downloads folder or a specific directory where you organize your project files. Once you've selected the location, go ahead and confirm the download. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully exported your project files from Lovable AI to your device using Google Chrome. This process not only helps you back up your work, but also prepares you for any future updates or sharing needs. Thanks for joining and happy exporting!